Yes, man.
Ito na, ang sarap nyo.
Shrimp and beans.
Rusky Fernandez, oh.
Chili shrimp.
Boss sa Resorts World, si Rusky Fernandez.
Ay, sir. Invite nyo kami.
Hindi, babae.
Miss
Rusky Fernandez.
Rasky, you're the bestie of my baby.
Ano naman?
Hi! Kumakain kami ngayon sa Hans.
Anong Hondo? Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant.
Here in Canada.
Here in Canada, Vancouver. Sub Dino.
That is a General Bato.
Maki, Maricor. Maghay ka naman. Hi, Hans. Miss Jetlag. And Miss... Hoy. Miss Dila.
Miss Dila.
Kubo.
It's good to eat ice cream here in Canada. God! It's so good!
You want some more?
Hi, guys.
April 9 dito po sa Vancouver
At the Queen Elizabeth Theater.
and on April 15 sa San Francisco and Great America.
See you guys there. Thank you guys. Hi. What's up?
Sorry.
We gotta go.
Ayaw na.